Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Webull Singapore. First, open the Webull app and choose Singapore as your region, then complete identity verification with NRIC or passport and a selfie. Next, link your bank account for deposits and withdrawals and transfer funds to start trading. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, set a strong password, and familiarize yourself with the dashboard to place orders confidently and safely. To fund your Webull Singapore account, tap Deposit in the Wallet tab and select your linked bank for fast or local transfer, then follow the on-screen instructions. Verify the minimum or daily deposit limits and note processing times to plan trades. Once the transfer clears, confirm your wallet balance in the app and use order previews to ensure you have sufficient funds before placing market or limit orders for stocks or ETFs. When placing trades on Webull Singapore, start by searching the ticker and reviewing price charts and key metrics. Select your order type, mark it for immediate fills or limit to control price, and enter quantity with a quick preview of estimated cost and fees. Double-check the order details, use a stop loss or take profit if needed, and confirm the trade. Monitor open orders in the Orders tab and adjust or cancel if conditions change to stay in control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.